Hey all, it's Mr. Thibodeau. Don't know why that's going there. Alright. So let's go ahead and do some math. Lesson 7. By now you should get into the groove. Mental math, problem solving, then jump into new concepts. So writing and comparing numbers through hundreds, thousands, hundred thousands, ordinal numbers. So we've practiced naming whole numbers with 3 or few digits, okay? Now we're going to do some bigger numbers. So we have hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, okay? So if I have here, right, 500,000, 40, oh, I guess this one doesn't go that far. I thought it did. So that would be 54,321 is how that one would work. If you had a 7 here, it'd be 700,000, 54,321. So it's a little weird, right? Because this turns into, instead of right here, it's 54,000. Okay, is how you talk about this. 54 is its own little bit, and so you call it 54,000, not 5 10,000s and 4. Rather, it's 54,000. Commas are often used to write a whole number with many digits, so it's easier to read. It's very difficult to read numbers and see how big a number is if you have 8, 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 9. I don't know how big that number, I mean, it's a big number, I can see that. I don't know exactly how big it is right off the top of my head. However, if I see this, oh yeah, that's 83 million. That's easy. Because I know first 6 digits are thousands, or the middle 3 digits are thousands, 100, and then over here we're in millions, okay? So 83 million. Okay, that's, yeah, I know that one. Okay. This would be 900 million. And then this would be now 8 trillion. Way, way bigger. Okay. Let's see. So I think it does a pretty good job of talking about this. Use digits to write 150,000, 234. Okay. Remember that hyphen there is important. Which number is bigger? Remember, it always goes towards the direction of the larger numbers, or the opens towards the direction, and it points to the smaller number. Points to the smaller, opens to the larger. Okay. Points to the smaller, opens to the larger. Ordinal numbers are numbers used to name position of order are called ordinal numbers. Following tables. So what does that mean? So your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Okay. These are numbers that have that TH or the ST or the ND or RD after them, okay? We use these in races, of course, is the most often time we use them. Oh yeah, he's 5th in line, right? You don't say he's 5 in line. Yeah, I don't know why we don't do that, but we don't, right? He's number 5 in line. He's 5th in line is the correct way. That's how we say it in English, okay? So those are called ordinal numbers. I don't think it's as important to know the term ordinal. You won't see that very often. However, knowing it is a cool trivia thing. Definitely knowing when to say first versus say when to say 1. You're not 1 in line. Ironically, if you are first, you have often 1. Ha 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 ha. But you are not 1, you are first. Okay? Yeah, all right, so go ahead and try your best on this lesson practice. If you get stuck, go ahead and unpause the video and see that. Once you've done the lesson practice, I'm going to have you guys do 1 through 19 all. Okay. All right, so pause the video. I assume you've unpaused at this point and you want to know how to do the lesson practice. Cool. So use the words to name each number. So first off, the comma is helpful here. So 36,420. So 36,000. We don't say we say the and, we don't write the and. Okay. 36,000 and 420. 12,300. 4,567. Use digits. 63,117. 117. 256,000. And 700. 50,924. You see how I had kind of stop at some points? 50,000, comma, 924. Okay. Also notice it's actually, you actually want to use a comma in each of those spots. Whether you're writing it using numerical numbers or with letters. Okay. Either way. All right, last little bit. $750,000. $750,000. Bam. Big money. Christina was the 6th person in a line of 10 people. How many people were in front of Christina? So there is 5 people in front of her. Right, she's 6th. So there's 5 more people in front of her. How many people were in front of Christina, and how many people were left behind her? 4 people were behind her. Right? Because really you have 4 plus 1 plus 5, and that should equal 10, a total of 10 people. All right. That's what I got for you guys. Have a good one.